make a little history today. Whoop, there we go. Looking good. Just something to get the impurities out of. I got a little copper rod. Just checking the almost there. It's just got to melt the copper in there a little bit more. It's got like a little chunk of it floating around. It's almost ready though. We'll definitely see just how well my casks work. I think I'm gonna have to practice more on this though, actually packing in the sand around the item. If this don't work out, I'll find another flask. Okay, I think she's ready. Shutting off the gas. Okay. Moment of truth. Got some air pockets. Back up, everybody. I tried to make my air pockets as good as I could, but you know, the vent holes for letting it out. I guess I'll have to make my vent holes a bit better, huh? Oh, that's okay. Look at that. That is liquid metal, everybody. Oh, I'm carrying around some heavy metal. Woo! You can smell the PLA. Okay, now when you're ready, you take this and you put it back in here to cool off. You do not want that to cool off in the outside temps. It'll crack, break, and pretty much do everything else. And as for this, oh, isn't that trippy? Okay, we'll let that cool off for a minute, and then, well, more than a minute. We'll probably let it cool off for like an hour, and then come back and just see how much I messed up or how much I move forward. Definitely going to work on the vent holes.